balls everywhere. They've been splayed nicely. 1-2-1. And as ever, just tailing in enough. And that full length, that Yorker length he's searching for. On! Zingers alight.
As you mentioned, slow delivery, completely bamboozled Watt.
Tries again. This time he gets him. What a star, Matheesha Pathirana.
Yeah, that was link ball. Noor Ahmed too late to bring his bat down.
Ball! He gets another. It's 9 down.
This time Yorker not getting it wrong. Naveen ul Haq exposing his stumps. You don't do that to the pace. You only make 1 runs.